Tips for using the Cornell note-taking method. Welcome to Homework Joy. We often get confused while taking notes during the lecture. Thus we should look for methods which can help us in creating notes in an organized way. So there is the Cornell note-taking method to solve the purpose. So let's see how to use it. Step 1. Divide the paper into 3 sections. Draw 6 horizontal lines from the bottom of the page. Then draw a dark vertical line around 2 inches from the left corner of the page. Step 2. Use right side to write notes. Use the large boxes on the right-hand side of the page to write notes during the class. These notes should be in the form of fragments or keywords. Use abbreviations whenever you can while making notes. Make use of bullets to remember fragments. Step 3. Use left side cues to learn. Write questions that are relevant to the notes. Use these questions like flashcards. Step 4. Write summary at the bottom of the page. Write a summary of the main idea of your notes at the bottom of the page. Cover the summary part in around 2-3 lines of what you want to take away from the notes above. Thanks for watching the video. Check the description if you want more tips on the topic. For more, www.homeworkminutes.com